The G.SKILL Trident Z RGB DDR4 64GB memory kit continues to be one of the most impressive upgrades for desktop PC users who want a combination of speed, reliability, and premium RGB aesthetics. Designed for gamers, creators, streamers, and power users, this RAM kit delivers strong multitasking performance while giving your setup a clean, high-end appearance. From the moment you install it, the Trident Z RGB design immediately stands out. The brushed aluminum heat spreaders paired with vibrant RGB lighting create a premium look that fits perfectly inside modern gaming PCs and creator workstations. The lighting effects are smooth and customizable, allowing users to sync colors with compatible motherboard software for a fully personalized setup. Performance is where this memory kit truly proves its value. Featuring a total capacity of 64GB in a dual-channel 2x32GB configuration, it provides enough memory headroom for demanding games, professional editing software, heavy multitasking, and content creation workflows. Running at 3,600 metric tons per second with CL18 latency, it offers fast response times and stable performance that greatly improve the overall desktop experience. For gaming, this RAM helps deliver smoother gameplay, better frame consistency, and improved responsiveness during demanding sessions. Open-world games, competitive shooters, and modern AAA titles benefit from faster memory speeds, especially when paired with powerful CPUs and GPUs. Even when multiple applications are open in the background, the system remains responsive and fluid. This kit is also an excellent choice for creators and professionals. Video editing applications, rendering software, streaming tools, and multitasking-heavy workloads all run more efficiently with higher capacity memory. Users working with 4K video editing, large project files, or intensive productivity tasks will immediately notice faster performance and smoother workflow management. Another major advantage is the easy installation process. Thanks to Intel XMP support, users can quickly enable the advertised 3,600 metric tons per second speed directly through the BIOS without manual overclocking. This makes setup simple even for users building or upgrading a PC for the first time. The G.SKILL Trident Z RGB series also offers excellent compatibility with both Intel and AMD desktop platforms. Stability remains reliable during long gaming sessions, rendering workloads, and extended multitasking use. The aluminum heat spreaders help maintain cool operating temperatures while also adding durability and style to the overall build. One of the biggest reasons many users still choose premium DDR4 memory is value. While DDR5 continues to grow in popularity, DDR4 systems remain extremely capable for gaming and professional workloads. Upgrading to a high-capacity DDR4 kit like this allows users to dramatically improve performance without replacing an entire motherboard and processor platform. The RGB lighting remains one of the standout features of this memory kit. The illumination is bright, smooth, and visually appealing without looking excessive. Whether your setup focuses on clean aesthetics or full RGB customization, the Trident Z RGB modules elevate the appearance of any gaming PC. In real-world usage, the difference becomes noticeable very quickly. Applications launch faster, multitasking feels smoother, gaming sessions remain more stable, and overall desktop responsiveness improves significantly. Instead of constantly worrying about memory limitations, users can focus entirely on gaming, editing, streaming, or productivity tasks without interruptions. Overall, the G.SKILL Trident Z RGB 64GB DDR4 memory kit remains one of the best premium DDR4 upgrades available for desktop users. It combines strong performance, reliable stability, beautiful RGB lighting, and future-ready multitasking capability into one complete package. For gamers, creators, streamers, and PC enthusiasts looking to maximize their system without moving to a new platform, this RAM kit continues to be an excellent investment. If you want to buy this G.SKILL Trident Z RGB series DDR4 64GB memory kit, then please visit the link provided in the description.